Dear students, today we are going to study about lesson 2. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. We are not afraid to die. To die मरने से हम डरते नहीं. If यदि we can all हम सब be together साथ साथ रहें. Written by Gordon Cook and Ellen East. The summary of the lesson. This lesson is given about a sea voyage started by the author, which was very dangerous. He had to face many difficulties on his journey and finally he got success. Here I have noted the summary of this lesson. According to our own ways. First, author's dream and journey. 200 years ago, James Cook, who was a famous explorer, started a custom of voyage to go round the world. The author also dreamed of it. He wanted to repeat the custom started by James Cook. He was 37 years. He was a businessman. His son's name was Jonathan. He was of 6 years. His daughter's name was Susanne. She was of 7. His wife's name was Mary. He started his journey in July 1976. Second, author's boat. To complete his journey, the author took a boat. Its name was Babe Walker. Its length was 23 meters. Its weight was 30 tons. Before starting his journey, the author had spent many months to test it. He wanted to know that it was fit for the journey or not. Third, first step of the journey. It was author's planned 3-year, 1,05,000 km journey. They sailed down the west coast of Africa to Cape Town. They took 2 American crewmen, Larry Vigil and Swiss Herr Ziegler. They were expert and experienced men. They knew how to face the waves and storms while on their journey. For contest of waves and storms, on the second day of his journey, the author had to face waves and storms. On December 25, there were 3,500 east of Cape Town. They spent the Christmas holiday happily. But there was no improvement in the weather. On January 2, when it dawned, there were gigantic waves. The author's head dashed to the wheel. His left ribs were broken. His mouth was filled with blood and broken teeth. His wife Mary shouted that they were sinking. The two crewmen, Larry Whistle and Sailor Ham, pumped the water. 5. Author's prudence. लेखक की दूरदर्शिता. The author was in difficulties. He went to his children and asked them that how they were. Then he took his tools and repaired the boat. The pump of the boat was blocked due to the debris. He connected another pump to the outline. On January 3, the water level was under control. Then the author calculated of the two islands. One of them was Amsterdam. It was the scientific center of Africa. He went toward it. 6. Courage of the children. The author went to his children. He consolated them. John replied, "We don't fear to die." The condition of Sue, who was his daughter, was not well. There was swelling on his head and eye due to the hurt, but she did not mind towards it. She said, "We don't want to worry anyone when he is engaged in rescue." The children were very excited. They said to the author that he was the best daddy. The children were so excited that they said that the author was the best daddy and the best captain. 7. Success. The author faced many difficulties by 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 January. Finally, he got success, saying Amsterdam, Iceland. He felt relief. It was the best island of the world. Thus, the author succeeded to explore the island. 8. Patience and hope. The last para of the lesson is very aesthetic. If we are facing if we are facing any dangerous condition, should be happy, optimistic, and use our presence of mind. Whether they are children or adults, they should give up their own pain and have patience. Thus, the summary of the lesson gets ended. Dear student, you also try to prepare